day. Waddle, waddle, swim and play, happy quacks all the way. Little duck wakes up in the morning sun, flaps his wings, oh what fun! Paddles in the pond, splish, splash, splash, quacking loudly, hear him laugh. Quack, 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 little duck hooray. Waddle, waddle, waddle all day, splash in the water, jump in the rain, happy little quacks again and again. See his friends, the froggy crew, jumping high and singing too. Turtle smiles, the fish swim by, little duck waves his wing high. Quack, 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 little duck hooray. Waddle, waddle, waddle all day, splash in the water, jump in the rain, happy little quacks again and again. Little duck loves the sunny sky, chasing butterflies that fly so high. He rolls in mud, oh what a sight, then shakes it off his feathers bright. Quack, quack, quack in the morning dew, little duck has so much to do. Waddle here, waddle there, friends and fun are everywhere. Little duck finds a shiny shell, takes it to show his friends as well. Froggy claps, the turtle cheers, quack, quack, quack for happy ears. Quack, 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 little duck hooray. Waddle, waddle, waddle all day, splash in the water, jump in the rain, happy little quacks again and again. When the sun begins to set, little duck is not tired yet. He twirls around, one last dive, quack, 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 he feels alive. Now it's time to rest, good night. Little duck sleeps till morning light.